Here's the big question. Is the internet wired or wireless? In a recent survey, it was found that 85% of internet users either don't know the answer to this question or hold incorrect information. Here arises yet another question. Who truly owns the internet? In this intricate world, everything has an owner. Car, house, building, business, you name anything? The internet has a constant presence in our daily lives, utilized virtually every minute. Yet the ownership remains a mystery. In next few minutes, you will be in the top 15% of people who know. Is the internet wired or wireless? Who owns the internet? How the internet actually works? Let's get started. Several symbols represent the internet, such as the Bluetooth symbol, satellites, 5G, browsers, or the traditional Wi-Fi signal, commonly seen nowadays. However, these symbols convey a misleading notion, not truly representing the actual internet. What is internet? This is internet, a wire. Yes, that's true. Everything streaming to our smartphone, laptop, desktop, smartwatch, or Alexa are getting internet from cables hidden underground or beneath the sea. It used to be copper or Ethernet cable before, now it's mostly fiber optics. But no matter what type, it's still just a wire. Any high-speed special-purpose computer can connect to this internet wire as a server. Servers are the only special computers directly connected to the internet wire. These servers store vast amounts of information presented in multiple web pages. For example, Google, Netflix, and Amazon each have their servers containing accessible public information. Similar to our home having a unique postal code, every server has its IP address, such as 8.8.4.4, used to locate it among millions of servers connected to the main internet wire. These servers are given meaningful names like Netflix.com, Google.com, or Amazon.com for easier recall compared to numerical addresses. Now we understand where all web information comes from. But how do we access this information on our cell phones or laptops for personal use? As mentioned earlier, only servers can connect directly to the internet wire, not our mobile devices. To be part of this network, we become clients connected to the internet through ISPs, or Internet Service Providers. An ISP is an organization that offers services for accessing, using, or participating in the internet. ISPs can take various forms, including commercial, community-owned, non-profit, or privately owned. Each country has its own ISP regulations and licensing. You might use a different ISP provider than your father, even if you both live in the same country. You pay them a monthly or yearly subscription fee, and they offer you a suitable plan based on your needs. They provide you with a router that emits wireless signals, accessible to your laptop and smartphone, allowing them to connect with the main internet cable. Now, if you want to access Google.com, the information will be retrieved like this. Your laptop connects wirelessly or through a wired connection to the home router provided by your ISP. The ISP then forwards the request to the Google server. The Google server responds with the requested information, sending it back to your ISP. Finally, your ISP forwards the information to your laptop. Although this may seem like a lengthy process, thanks to the advancements in optical fiber and communication technology, all of this is done in less than a second. Now we have the answer to our first question. All the information reaching us through. The internet is wired. The servers depicted in the pictures may appear small, but in reality, they are immense. Consider, for instance, a Google server situated in Pryor, USA, spanning an impressive 980,000 square feet, a scale equivalent to nearly 17 football fields. Google's data servers collectively handle an average of 40 million searches per second. Now that's truly massive, isn't it? All these servers are linked with fiber optics across the continents, a wire that may appear small in pictures, but is exceptionally lengthy in reality. To be precise, there are approximately 1.4 million kilometers of submarine cables, transmitting a vast amount of data globally. The Submarine Cable Map is a free and consistently updated map of the Internet's fiber optic cables. Explore it at submarinecablemap.com to discover how many cables are delivering data in your country. You can search by cable name, country, or the year of installation. Now let's address the million-dollar question. Who manages this vast internet empire that spans the entire globe? Do you believe your local internet service provider, ISP, controls the internet? No. Because if one ISP stops or refuses to serve you, another can step in if you choose to pay them. Does a country's government control the internet? Only to a limited extent at the local level. What about big companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon? Do they control the internet? Not really. For instance, while Netflix can shut down its own servers, it has no authority over Google's services and cannot prevent you from using them. The Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, is an American multi-stakeholder group, holds the keys to this vast cyber kingdom. ICANN's goal is to contribute to a steady, safe, and united global internet. When you want to connect with someone online, you enter an address, whether it's a name or a number, into your computer. This address needs to be one of a kind so that computers can locate each other. ICANN plays a role in organizing and assisting these distinctive identifiers worldwide. Thank you for watching.